The Buffalo B1000 is one of the best value for money mini diggers that has a diesel engine in the UK, and we wanted to give you a quick video to show you around the features of this special machine. So this actually features our Coupes single cylinder diesel engine, which is perfect for this 1 ton machine. It gives it more than enough power to do footings, driveways, landscapings, patios, you name it. It's really capable of a lot more than you think for its price point. Now, this machine comes with quite a few features, namely its swing and boom, which is perfect for tight working areas where you're up against the wall and you can't really swing your body, so you have to swing your arm instead, and that's exactly why this machine comes with it. You'll see a lot of mini diggers priced at this price point have a fixed boom, which means you're a bit stuck if you're in a tight space, so luckily at Buffalo you're sorted. Other than that, it's got really easy controls. So for example, with so much leg room, you've got all your controls here, and it's so easy to operate. You can even give it to an apprentice, I reckon. But other than that, we'll talk you through around the front what it has. So it comes with a standard digging bucket, but at the same time you can spec this machine in terms of attachments to exactly what you need for your project. And it is also piped for a breaker, so you can put hydraulic attachments like augers, breakers, hydraulic thumbs, you name it. So if you have a look around the back here, you'll see that it's actually powered by 2 main features, with the Coupes engine and the hydraulic pump, and that's it. So again, very simple, very easy, and very straightforward. If you have a look around the back as well, in terms of access to the fuel tank and everything, it's all made incredibly user-friendly, so you can go about your business without having to undo any seats or whatnot. So again, it's so straightforward. Apart from that, you've got just a nice, elegant, good-looking machine, really straightforward, really affordable, and it's diesel. So if you already have a garage full of machines that are diesel, you might as well add this one as well. And that's about it. If anything, give us a call or come and visit us, and we'll be more than happy to help. Thank you.